I really admire your commitment and leadership dito sa company na to. Okay, so Kirby De La Cruz, direct po kami sa company from DocEd. Ang ating pong upline is si Upline John Mac, TJX Alliance, and meron na po kaming grupo na tinatawag namin na TJX DNA, D3 Magnificent. And of course, gusto kong batiin lahat ng mga United Aimers yan, sa mga taga Milan because I came all the way from Milan. Okay, so it's Tuesday night, 22nd of Tuesday, September. It's a little bit but raining dito, medyo umuulan, but it's a very pleasant evening to each and everyone. So, marketing plan tayo. Sa marketing plan, I would like you to first focus. Sana dito muna lahat ng attentions ninyo. I would like you to grab the attention. And please leave all behind. Iwanan nyo po muna lahat ng mga iniisip ninyo. If you have some problems to sort out things, well, you are here with us. You are here with me. So I would like to grab your privacy na dito muna kayo because hindi rin siya magiging effective o hindi rin siya magiging aware sa inyo if you are here physically present but you are mentally absent. Okay, so if you're ready, we can start the marketing plan. Okay, marketing plan presentation all over Europe. Okay, dito we have the package. And on these kinds of concept, dito po sa picture na to, what I would like to think about is probably hindi siya mag-match dito sa awareness ninyo sa mga bago, sa mga guests today. But as you all know, we are already part of the trading system. Bakit ko sinasabing trading system o barter? Barter. Kung naiintindihan niyo po yung words na yan before, during our time, hindi pa ho gumagamit ng pera ang mga tao. We're using agricultural products, we're using seafood products na in-exchange po natin yon. So, bakit ko nabanggit ito? Because for the viewers tonight na hindi pa ho kayo part ng system or buying and selling or selling or buying, I would like you to be aware na part na ho tayo ng trading system since before. So, ang naisip po ng company, since maganda po yung product, maganda ang benefits. Yung pinaka-general name of my interpretation of the products is the study of good nutrition. Agree ba kayo doon? Naturuan lang tayo na magkaroon ng study about good nutrition is isa na yun sa pinaka-highest form of family values na may papasa na natin all the way doon sa ating next generation at saka sa mga susunod pa na generation. And aside from that, ang generation na susundan natin is na aalagaan na natin sila because of the study of good nutrition. We're not here to sell, but we are here to improve people's lives. So yan po yung package. And the value of the package is what we call 198 euro. So dito po sa package na to, it's very easy for you to analyze. I would like you to think na dito pong 198 euro is we're spending a lot of money with so many gadgets, with so many things. Sumasakay, pupunta po tayo ng mga travels, nagpapalista po tayo sa mga vacations, but in return, of course, we are not spending our money wisely. Okay? So, yan po, and further information about more details technically, na i-explain po yan in way of technical seminars. Gusto ko lang na mas mabilis, mas compressed, and mas aware tayo. Yan po yung choice. And the value po niyan is from 198 is 226 euro po ang in return. Okay? So next slide please. Yan. The wholesale package. From 198. Okay? Next slide please. So, meron tayong mga services. Okay? In all marketing aspects, lagi tayong merong mga services. Bakit may services? As we all know, we are sharing people, others' business from long time before. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin yung tinatawag natin na word of the mouth. Ang hilig ho natin mag-share kapag nag-travel kayo, pag uwi nyo ng bahay, kinukwento ninyo sa lahat. Pagka merong kayong nabiling magandang gamit or sale, anong ginagawa natin? Sinishare natin kaagad. Okay? So, nanood ng sine, pagbalik, pinakita rin sa mga kamag-anak and kaibigan. What's the concept of this? We created a package. And from the package, we give services as well. Ano ang laman? Ano ang laman ng services na to? Worth of products na 226, 229, discounts from 25 to 65%. Imagine, hindi na kayo ang nag-compute, hindi na kayo ang nag-design, hindi na kayo ang nag-isip paano i-market ang such extreme, extensive research na product na pinakita ni Coach Perla kanina. And aside from that, bibigyan pa kayo ng cash card ATM or BDO MasterCard if you like to withdraw your money internationally. Okay? And kasama po dyan yung tinatawag natin na free web page, Distributors Tracking Center. Further information, isko-compress ko na lang. Ito yung secretary, ito yung accountant mo, ito na lahat. Pati yung organizer mo. Diyan ho lalabas yung mga sales, diyan lalabas yung mga commissions, and diyan lalabas even the seconds from the moment na may pumasok sa inyong sales or binaries. Later on, I will discuss. Diyan po lalabas sa Distributors Tracking Center by the tip of your finger. Ibig sabihin, i-click mo lang yung ang ating DTC o ang ating website using your username and password, nakakapasok na kayo doon. And the most exciting part here, ladies and gentlemen, is the training. Alam po ninyo sa De La Salle, sa Ateneo, kapart po ng curriculum is network marketing. Sa AIMS o sa Asian International Management, pinag-aaralan po yan ng mga vice presidents o mga presidents ng company. Multi-thousands of dollars po ang binabayaran ng company para mag-aral doon. Samantalang sa atin dito sa Empowered Consumerism, nandito po tayo, nakaupo lang kayo dyan, and we're using the unprecedented opportunity na gumagamit lang tayo ng internet connection. So free training and travels and tours. Next slide, please. Yan. So, distributors, mag-usap lang tayo. So, we are, the suggested retail price is 68 euro. And for the distributor, sa ating mga distributor or ikaw, nagbabalak kang maging distributor, and I'm sure sa mga guests natin ngayon na nakita mo kung ano ang difference ng tinatawag na buying and selling, meron kang 20 euro 0.70. Bigyan ko lang ng konting push dito, okay? Ano ibig sabihin nito? If you heard about the capitalism and communism, capitalism, it means that you are or we are free to buy things. Bumili ka ng sapatos ngayon, pag uwi mo ng bahay, yung pala medyo masikip. Nagsusoli yung iba. The rest, anong ginagawa? Pinopost lang nila sa online and nakakapag-buy and sell, sell and buy. Ladies and gentlemen, aside from that, sa mga bansa which is under communism, take note, iisa lang o iilan lang ang mga taong pwedeng maging capitalist o kapitalista. Magpasalamat tayo because we are in an independent country, because we are in the capitalism country. Yan po ang power ng retailing. Next slides. Ayan. Retailing, as I said, pwede ho tayo mag-buy, pwede ho tayo mag-sell. It's an art of something that we discovered from someone else na pinasa natin at nirelay natin dyan sa someone else. Kaya magpasalamat kayo again sa mga nag-invite sa inyo because they are very eager for you to see this wonderful opportunity na alam natin na hindi nyo kaagad o hindi nyo ito basta-basta lang naririnig. 68 euro ang bottle under the profit. And tingnan nyo, ang 20 euro 0.70 in a regular customer per week, kung may regular kang marketplace, you have 207 euro. Alam nyo, ladies and gentlemen, it's not about the value or the numbers of the market that you are doing. It's the value of your time. What I mean dito is, kapag nasa trabaho ka, nag-ring o nagtumunog yung cellphone mo, someone or somebody wants your product because you're improving their lives, you are already multiplying your productivity. It's your value of your time, and it's not, you are not paid by time. Yun yung dinagdag natin dito sa Empowered Consumerism. Next slide, please. Second. Okay, so meron po tayong dalawang choices ng package. Nandiyan po siya. As you can see, mamili kayo. And sa mga nag-invite sa inyo, if you are interested, and I know that you will be very interested, and because unang-una, again, ito na ho ang pinaka-highest form of science, technology, and nature. Kinonbine po nila ito just to provide services to the world. Meron po tayong mga researches from technology. Meron tayong research from natural, which is the E24/7, and meron din tayong mga high-end, na which is molecular hydrogen water, but it's furthermore dito sa products. But as you can see, lahat po yan is a very trending products. Okay, so letter A or letter B. Next slide, please. Now, direct sponsoring. This is the most exciting part about being part of the AIM world, AIM Europe. Direct sponsoring, you are representing something sa population. Bakit ko ito nasabi? Because it's probably pwedeng tamaan yung philosophy mo, pwedeng tamaan yung family values nyo, because we interpret direct sponsoring as recruitment. And for me, recruitment from way back, people were misinterpreting the certain meaning of recruitment. For me, it's direct sponsored, or you are sharing something that you have on yourself. Okay? So, the concept is, dito sa direct sponsoring, ang unang nyo munang iisipin, for now, for example, you have, na-convince ka dito sa program, na-convince ka dito sa package, but something in your second voice dito, if you believe in me, because ito is proven, meron tayong second voice, o meron tayong second thought, na parang sobrang ganda naman ng offer ng products, parang ang ganda naman ng offer ng marketing. Bakit parang ang ganda naman? So, those words or those thoughts is normal. Bakit ko sinasabi? Because the job of our brain, the job of our thought is to defend. Ulitin ko, to defend its body. Kumbaga, hindi ka nakakapag-decide something for you for so many years, because kapag nag-aalangan ka, you are uncertain, you are uncomfortable. It's the habit and it's the job of your brain. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are straight, honest, and sincere dito sa pinag-uusapan natin. Direct sponsoring, merong package na nagkagusto, kaibigan, kakilala, kamag-anak mo dito sa Milan or all over Europe, France, Spain, and Germany, and Czech Republic, na excited o gusto nila yan. You are going to earn 20 euro. 20 euro ng 20 euro ng 20 euro, as much as many individuals na interested, yung pala gusto nila mag-buy, yung pala gusto nila mag-sell, ang gusto rin pala nila mag-consume. So I hope na medyo nabigyan ko to ng elaborations for you, because direct sponsoring is how we lead, how we stand as a father, as a mother, as a relatives to each and every individuals na nagustuhan yung package at nag-join at sumali dito sa AIM World Europe. Dahil alam natin we are under pandemic and we need extra generating income. Next slide please, Coach Marie. Sa mga nag-invite kay Coach Marie pala, sa kanyang mga guests, believe me, isa siya sa pinakamagaling na coach na nakilala ko. So, trust. Maganda yan. Next, matching bonus. Okay, dito sa matching bonus, ladies and gentlemen, we are empowering. We are giving you direct 35 euros sa match sales bonus. What's the meaning of this? You're gonna create a two sides of group or two forces, organizations. One is your left, one is your right. That's it. Wala akong complicated dito. Some probably may hear it's like a pyramid. Some pwede nagsabi, pyramid is, narinig ko na yan before sa network marketing o sa networking. Ladies and gentlemen, pyramid is only a shape. It represents only a shape. Okay, shape representing, but it's the system, the values, the rules inside, yung legalities, doon ho natin ma-i-implement o doon natin ma-verify, ma-evaluate if the real system is legal, legitimate, and good news. For the past almost 14 years, we never failed. We never failed to give, to improve people's lives. Individuals, ordinary individuals become extraordinary. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? You can move on dun sa left. And kapag ang system nabasa niya na you are creating individuals from your left and on your right, good news, you're gonna have a 35 direct matching sales bonus. And imagine from the first income that you're gonna have, ang first way is yung direct sponsoring, which is 20 euro. So you're gonna have a staggering, listen, a staggering 40 euro plus 35, and the total is 75. Alam niyo po, hindi ko na ito siguro i-generalize, but to who dito sa Milan o to who from here in Europe ang kilala ninyo na kumikita ng above 75 euro paid salary every day? Ako sa empresa namin, sa trabaho namin, we are paid by 7 euros. So kung nagtatrabaho ka ng 6 hours, I have 42. And if I do overtime, I just make some 60. Clean, 60 euros siguro every day. Ito, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko to sasabihin if I did not experience this kind of situation. How about? Sige, tuloy mo lang, Coach Marie, ang bangga-bangga na yan. Tuloy mo lang. Kasi may magandang concept niyan sa banggaan na yan. Alam niyo po, ladies and gentlemen, why two FW came here in Europe same year. They studied at the same school, same age, same hours of job. But bakit yung isang OFW, he is earning twice and 3 times sa other OFW, even 4 times doon sa OFW. Ladies and gentlemen, life is a mystery. Kung nakita nyo to, ang matching sales bonus is, for my interpretation, is what we call the law of leverage. Bakit ka kumikita ng 35 left and right, 35 left and right, 35 left and right, 35? Because you are multiplying yourself. Pag may bumili sa Japan, pag may bumili sa Philippines, pag may bumili dito sa France, pag may bumili sa Spain ng package through you, you're gonna put on your left and right position 35 and 35 and 35 and 35 while you are working. Because again, you are not paid by time. You are paid by value. Okay? The meaning of this is, nagtatrabaho ka, but you're doing part-time, you are building your fortune, and the most exciting part is, habang nagtatrabaho ka full-time on your job, you are building part-time on your fortune. Kung naiintindihan ninyo, I hope and I know from 5-second rule, your doubts, yung mga defense mechanism, you can all the way admit to yourself na we have a common sense o meron tayong pinag-uusapan dito. And siguro dito, last dito sa 3 matching sales bonus, tandaan nyo, ladies and gentlemen, kung ikaw gumagawa ng sapatos, I hope na kaya nyo pang mag-type ng sapatos. Type nyo nga dyan sapatos. Sapatos. Kung ikaw ay isang sapatero, sa loob ng 24 hours, hindi mo naman gagawin ang 24 hours, right? So magtatrabaho ka as 8 hours. 8 hours, gumagawa ka ng 10 sapatos. 8 hours. Now, what if on the next day, may umorder sa'yo na 15 na sapatos? So, ibig sabihin, ang 8 hours mong trabaho, gagawin mo na siyang 12 or 14. Tama? And on the next day, 20 shoes o 20 sapatos na ang bumili sa'yo, what are you gonna do? Hindi ka na matutulog? Are you gonna making shoes until 20, 22, 24 hours? What's the concept? If I do shoes, pwede akong humanap ng ibang mga sapatero na sila naman ay pwedeng gumawa ng sapatos pamamagitan ko. Halimbawa, bigyan ko sila ng 80-20. O sige, 80% sa iyo, 20% sa akin. Kumuha ako ng 10 sapatero. So how many shoes I made? Diba? So nagmo-multiply tayo. Nagmo-multiply until one day, hindi ka na gumagawa ng sapatos, you have 100 shoemakers and you are earning 20% from their effort. 80 sa kanila, 20%. Ladies and gentlemen, yung 35 euro and yung 20 euro na direct sponsor and matching sales bonus, saan ba galing yun? Yan po yung law of leverage. Simple lang muna because we are running out of time and I hope naintindihan nyo na kung gusto nyo mag-leverage dito sa Europe or wherever you are na nakikinig right now, you have to be educated to big value your time. Okay, next slide na tayo, Coach Marie. Ang next slide natin, are we learning? Can you type 1 if you're learning? Type 1. Matching says, okay, cycle. Meron lang tayong cycle. Company has rules para naman ang company natin is meron tayong safety net. Okay? The company, we have only 8 and 8. Kumbaga, doon sa ikot na 24 hours, from 12 hours to another 12 hours, 8 cycles lang po ang pwede natin. And then the total of that is 16 pairs per day, maximum. Okay? And dyan po, lalong kumikita, all you know, magtataka kayo kung bakit sobrang dami pong mga naging milyonaryo dito. That is because of this system. The system po yan was created, invented from America, which is, imagine mo, okay, go ahead, Coach Marie, bigay mo na yan. That is the staggering amount of from 560 a day, 3,920 euro a week, 17,360 per month. Yan po yung promising, improved, and proven marketing system na naghihintay sa inyo. Maaring hindi mo makuha yung 560, 3,920, 7,360. But what if nandoon ka sa 75 euro per day? Or what if nandoon ka pala sa 75 euro in 2 hours? Or what if nandoon ka pala sa 75 euro in 5 hours, in 1 hour, in 2 minutes? Because you are paid by value. Believe me or not, we are earning here with integrity. We are earning here because we learn this system. Sana po na nakapasok ka dito ngayon, you are here, nakapanood ka ng webinar. This will change the course of your life. Okay, go ahead. Next slide, please. Hindi ko na nakikita kung ilan yung mga present natin. I have to go. I have to finish this, okay? So go ahead. Meron tayong tinatawag na yan. Yung third from the income is, of course, you're gonna pair from the first, from the second, from the third, from the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, on 8, and from on the 9. From 9th level, company will provide, company will surprise you with some travel incentives, and much more exciting rewards. Alam niyo po, kung 50-50 ang sugal dito sa AIM World, it's not 50-50. You are in the 110%. You're gonna make this right. You're gonna make this an extraordinary part-time building your fortune. So more information, meron tayo again technical webinars, so that's why I'm compressing everything. Okay, go ahead, Coach Marie. Yan, yung gross, okay? So, meron tayong mga sets of package. Bakit ko sinabing mga sets of package? As you all know, kung magta-taxi ka, kung bibili ka ng taxi and papasada ka for 1 day, of course, babalik yung driver mo for one tinatawag na boundary, right? So, kapag tatlo naman ang taxi mo, bumili ka ng 3 units, pagbalik ng mga drivers mo, you are multiplied by 3 boundaries. Tama? And how about bumili ka ng 7 units? Or how about bumili ka ng 15 units? So, you are again compressing the time. Kasi same time, same effort, but bigger money, bigger income, bigger ang production o productivity. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Ang one package is 198 euro. Ang gross per month is 17,360. For me, I considered one package as a consumer o user na products because you can get the benefits, you can get the discount, you can get the services for your personal. But what if yung pala, sinasarili mo lang siya, ang daming nagtatanong sa'yo dahil ang daming nakakapuna ng pagbabago ng iyong health, study of your health, and your character, paano na lang? So, believe me or not, people will be very curious to look what's inside your personal life because they're gonna see a lot of changes from you. So, paano na lang? So, what I mean is pwedeng ang transition nito is on the late reaction. Pwedeng mangyari yun di ba? Pero nung nandun ka na sa late reaction, dumami ang mga tao under your organization and you did not even add another extra account, well, you will be very sorry and I'm sure marami akong makikita o maririnig ng mga story na sayang. Sana. Ladies and gentlemen, multiple accounts is 594 euro. Our 7 accounts, our 15 accounts, we have 1,386. 1,386, medyo malaki. Okay, pumunta tayo sa 15 accounts, 2,970 euro. Medyo malaki. Because we are using our mental wallet. Mental wallet. Sulat nyo na lang dyan, wallet. Okay, so I would like to see words from you to type wallet. I'm going to explain what is mental wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, mental wallet is how you compute things from your own life experience. From experience mo. Okay? Kung i-elaborate ko to, alam niyo po ngayon sa Pilipinas, we cannot convert our euro to peso because you are living here in Europe. I hope na sana ngayon mai-adjust niyo yan because every time you are using your money, you are converting to peso. Wala ho kayo sa Pilipinas, so hindi niyo dapat i-convert yan sa peso. Kada galaw niyo na lang, kada bili niyo na lang, kada kinakain niyo na lang, sa mga chikiting, pag may binigay kayo, kinukompute niyo. Ladies and gentlemen, yung 1,386 euro sa ngayon, if you're gonna put a business around 2,970, if you're gonna build a business, ladies and gentlemen, unang-una, DTI permit, Department of Trade and Industry permit, mayor's permit, barangay's permit, you're gonna build your own store, magbabayad ka ng Meralco, magbabayad ka ng tubig, and last but not the least, you are not physically there to look after it. Ano ho ang senaryo? Ang senaryo niyan is 85% po sa DTI according to, bago pa mag-pandemic, is hindi na ho nagre-renew. After 5 years, hindi na ho nagre-renew ang mga small entrepreneurs. Dahil binigay nila yung pera doon and they are here or you are here abroad just doing or generating the money. So maliit. Hindi yan maliit, hindi rin yan malaki. It's reasonable. For me, reasonable average capital. Dahil binigay na yan. You don't need to build anymore. Meron ka ng platform. You have your platform. You can market. You can sponsor. You can leverage. Again, the word leverage. And you can have the royalty without having a store, without having a grocery store, without having a warehouse. Wala kang binabayaran under na po yan, sagot na po yan ng AIM World Europe or Empowered Consumerism sa Pilipinas. So, if you are here, nag-isip ka rin lang, be reasonable. Your mental wallet, I know that you can adjust everything regarding that. And bago ko tapusin to dito, sa slide na to, malakihan to, ito po yung information kung kanino nyo ipapadala. This is the IBAN, Bank Santander. If you like to order online, door-to-door, yan po yung information, okay? Kung sino po yung nag-invite sa inyo, they can assist you as a sponsored. Ulitin ko, they are sponsored, you, and they will stand like a mother, like a father, like a family to you. Next, please. Yan. So, we are in the empowered consumerism. So, this will be the last, probably. Yeah, I think this is the last part of the slides. Right, Coach Marie? Ito na yung parts ng slide. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to before, bago ako matapos, gusto ko sana ibigay sa inyo yung simpleng wisdom na nakuha ko. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, kung may pera ka man ngayon and ayaw mong gumastos, ayaw mong maglabas ng kapital, ayaw mong maglabas ng konti o average because hindi mo iniisip na negosyo, but there are some people, there are some individuals na may pera sila, pero gusto nilang kumita ng mabilis. The world, he ran for 3 minutes and 46 seconds under. And nagulat po ang buong mundo dahil may tao palang kayang tumakbo ng 1 minute. Pero pagdating po niya sa finish line, halos kargahin na siya ng mga tao talagang hinimatay na dahil doon pa lang niya na naramdaman yung abnormality o yung pressure na dinanas ng katawan niya. What's the meaning or what's my message in my closing? Ladies and gentlemen, if until now, maraming specialist, maraming doktor, maraming scientist o mga individual sa paligid mo na nagsasabi sa iyo that you cannot improve better productivity dahil we are stuck sa employment. If a lot of people were telling you the law that you will never improve because all you have to do is do 10 hours, 12 hours job and that's it. Well, you are stuck. Mamili ka. Are you Roger Bannister or are you yourself under empowered consumerism, under AIM Global Europe? You have to decide tonight. That's it. Thank you. Again, God bless to each and everyone. And I hope I made myself clear na na-send ko sa inyo ang message to influence you and to give you more and more reasons to be most productive. Sa mga invites ko, again, I'm just here and thank you for coming. That's it. God bless.